Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new exciting Freeplay feature in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have joined Freeplay mode in Dress to Impress. And after you have joined a Freeplay mode, you will get this feature called Walk the Runway. You can click on this menu and here you can choose which runway you want to walk down. And for example, I'm going to choose Valentine's runway. Okay, then click on confirm. All right. And it will bring you here in the Valentine's runway. Okay, and if you want to walk the runway, you can click on and here, or you can try some poses here. Okay, and then I'm just going to end this runway. All right, that's so cool and exciting. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.